Good morning, students. How are you? My name is Piyush. Today I want to welcome you for the first Chinese class, wherein we are going to learn basic Chinese pronunciations. We have written down 11 pronunciations, starting 11 pronunciations. We are going to recite it, and I will going to teach you how to write it down also. The later on the class we will try to recite it. I will tell you what is the exact pronunciation, then you guys want to recite after me. Okay? Alright. The first character in Chinese is called as P. Remember, all the sounds in Chinese character, they are in a first tone. First tone. We have some tones in Chinese. All the Chinese alphabets will be in first tone. These are the tones, the representation of the tones. The first tone is represented by this. The second tone, and respectively the third and the fourth. We also have one neutral tone which is denoted by dot. A neutral tone, like it has like neutral tone, just like how we say normal tone. The first tone is like, for example, if we take the first character and we will try and pronounce it according to tone, then how it will be. Let me give you an example. The first alphabet P, in the first tone it will be P. In second tone it will be P. In the third tone it is like falling and taking it up, like P. And the fourth tone, in the fourth tone we have to emphasis on the word, like P. Yes. And the last, the neutral tone is P normal. Let me repeat once again. The first alphabet will take and put it into example, like five tones will try and put it. The first tone will be like P, in the second P, in the third P, in the fourth P, and in the last tone is P. There is a like neutral, there is no sound. So there are primarily 4 tones in Chinese. The fifth one is neutral. Similarly, if we take the second alphabet, it is denoted by P, but we have to pronounce it is like P. First one is P denoted by B. Second one is F denoted by P. Okay, don't confuse. Third one is M denoted by M. The fourth one is again F is silent F. So we denote it by F. Alright. The fifth one is T is denoted by D. Fifth one is Th denoted by T. Seventh is N denoted by N letter in the English alphabet. Eighth one is L denoted by L. Ninth one is K denoted by G. The 10th one is K denoted by K. And the 11th and the last one is H denoted by H. Okay, you may write it down. Let me recap you once again, all so that we will be friendly with all first 11 alphabet in Chinese. Let me tell you one thing, guys. The alphabet in Chinese, you can see like P is written like this, P, and similarly all the first 11 characters are written in Chinese as well as in the English. is in English. So you can see these Chinese alphabets, all right, right from P to H, ठीक है, P to H. This we use this. Okay, guys. So what I was telling you, that the character, the alphabets which are denoted in Chinese, they can be used in writing of Fantizi. Fantizi is like, in Chinese we have two Chinese written scripts. One is in simplified Chinese, the other one is in Mandarin traditional Chinese. Okay. There are two types of written scripts in Chinese. For example, those are simplified Chinese and one is traditional Chinese. So there are two scripts, but pronunciation are all the same. The what we speak, the Chinese is the same, but just like Persian, Urdu and the Arabic script, they look to be similar, but just a little differences. For example, in Chinese we write country as this word. This word denotes the country. You can see in simplified Chinese we write the script like this, but in traditional Chinese we write this like this. So in the traditional Chinese mainly spoken in Taiwan. The simplified Chinese is mainly spoken in mainland China, some part of Hong Kong and Malaysia and Singapore and various other Chinese speaking countries. So we shall be learning simplified version of Chinese. Reason being, it is very easy to learn. In order to understand Chinese pronunciation better, we will try and learn the basic alphabets in Chinese as well as in English. In the long run, we shall use only English alphabets to write the Chinese character in your mobile phone, while you chat, while you type in the laptop, PC, in mobile. We shall use English characters, English alphabets. Is that okay with you? Okay. I hope you understand this concept. I will recite. Let just practice on recitation of first 11 alphabets. I will try and pronounce, and then you guys have to imitate what I pronounce or what I told you. Okay. In Chinese, let's say the first alphabet is P. All the alphabet should be in the first tone. This first tone, just like a bell. You know bell, how it sounds, tung, like that. So definitely we will try and pronounce in that way. The first alphabet is P. Yes, guys, you can recite after me. P, F, Mo, F, T, Th, N, L, K, K, H. Let's try one more time. P, F, Mo, F, T, Th, N, L, K, K, H. Okay, you can also pronounce at your home. If you want, we can go again. I will going to ask you and one of you going to pronounce it. If it is okay, I will tell you how it is or how it should not be. We will try and pronounce it together. Okay. First one, P, F, Mo, F, T, Th, N, L, K, K, H. Okay. Now I will going to tell you how can we write these 11 alphabet. Pay attention. The first one, P, can be written like this: 1, 2, 3, like this. You may write it down in your notes. Okay, this is for how to write. One more time, I am going to tell you how. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is for. Over to the next character, which is for. How to write it? Let me tell you. Follow me. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I will tell you one more time. 4, 2, 3, 4. This is the second alphabet. I hope you have noted down. Let's move to the third alphabet, which is M. Is very simple. 1, 2, 3. Isn't it very easy? One more time I am going to tell you. 1, 2, 3. Similarly, the fourth alphabet, we can write it like this. Follow me. 1, 2 and continue it. This is for. Okay. Thank you. Let's move to the fifth character, fifth alphabet. It is T. How to write it? 1, 2, 3 and 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the. Yeah. Let's move to the sixth alphabet. It is Th. How to write it? 1, 2, 3. Let's try and write it again. Let me tell you the steps. This is Th. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. If you have any question, you can just ask me how to write it down. I will tell you once again.
No.
These are the basic. Merely have the at last four strokes. 4 stroke के अंदर हो जाएगा वो. Okay. All the character. How to write? I will tell you later. And we will not be going to use the Chinese alphabet in the next in the long run. We will be using the English alphabets. Okay. So in order to learn the pronunciations, we will take their example. Okay. Just to learn the pronunciations. Okay. The next is N. How to write? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let me tell you once again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You might find difficult to write in the first because we are not familiar to the words, to the alphabet, Chinese writing. But if you practice more and more at your home, you will get it. Alright guys, let's move to the 8th alphabet, which is L. How to write? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Let me write it again. 1, 2, 3 4. This is L. Alright, let's move to the 9th alphabet, which is, can you tell me which is it? K. Okay, it's very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. K. Okay, let me write it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. K. You might find this very easy. There are two. You can also memorize it by the two less than symbols. K. Okay. The next one is K. How to write? 1, 2, 3, and 4. K. I will tell you again. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Is the pronunciation is K. Okay. Let's move to the 11th alphabet, which is H. Let me write 1, 2, 1, 2. H. Okay. Yes. I hope you can also now be able to write the Chinese alphabet. Let's just recap once again. Okay. Please follow me. P, F, M, F, T, Th, N, L, K, K, H. Okay. Thank you guys. Thanks for the first alphabet learning, Chinese alphabet learning. Hello guys, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and for more offline classes, address is mentioned in the description.
Thank you.